going on, guys? Welcome back to Fire Fishing. If you guys haven't seen my last video, go watch it right now. It's part 1 of this video, but we just woke up. The wind was crazy last night. It was like super calm the whole evening until like right when we went to bed, and then we woke up at like 12:30ish, and it was like blowing in this way towards us, and it was crazy. So yeah. But did you sleep good, Dad?
Yeah.
He's the one that got up in the night and put the fire out and everything, because the wind was blowing stuff everywhere. So anywho's, we got a fire going so we can cook some breakfast, and then we're gonna go do some fishing. So hopefully we'll be able to catch some fish today, some good fish, but we'll see. Black pepper, seasoned salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. Seal it up and scramble. Breakfast is done. There it is. Looks great. Let's go ahead and give everything a try. Bacon. We're gonna finish up breakfast and then get ready to go do some fishing. Down there swimming by it. Oh, there's a few bass. They're little. Yeah, right down here. You still got your grub tied on? I'll toss it. Wait, it's a crappie. That's one thing. Oh yeah, dude. Definitely thought she was in. Wait, is that a crappie? What is that? I guess. There's a bunch down there. Shoot, man. Heck yeah. Wow, look at that. I've never caught one of those. Alright guys, so we just got back to the campsite from fishing. We caught 3 fish total today and 2 yesterday. So only 5 fish, but you know, it's okay. A fish is a fish, so it's all good. But it's about time that we start cleaning up, so enjoy a time lapse. Alright, well, we got everything packed up in the boat. We are setting off. There's the beach that we stayed at. Here's the boat. We got to make it all the way back across the lake to the marina, which is just straight across, but yeah. We'll see you guys when we get there.